And today we are interviewing this woman, Sarah Winner, who has a rare mucous membrane disorder. Hey, focus, right here. How do you feel about the monsters in the closet? Do you think they're gonna attack us? Should we go investigate this further? We're going anyways. That's Emma's terrified look of fear right there. Ooh. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be sexy or... Oh, baby. How you doing? Back to the investigation.
Step on my toes.
There you go. Eee, what is that?
Touch my... Melissa has a shoe.
Do not.
I don't believe you.
Did you kill a Smurf in here?
Sarah?
And now we're coming out of this wonderful closet.
She's gay.
I'm a lesbian.
I know.
Oh, okay.
We know. Melissa, you come out of the closet twice to make you straight.
Anyways, to end off this interview, I have one more question for you. Why do you wear the orange helmet? No, focus. Right here. Why do you wear an orange helmet?
Because they didn't have pink.
You can go get your cookie now.